Hello everyone, my name is Michael Ferrara and it is a real pleasure to have you here with us tonight. The reason you're here with us tonight is you're interested in joining a network marketing company, or maybe you're already involved in a network marketing company and just haven't found the one that best fits you. Network marketing has been called many different things. However, at the end of the day, the concept and the systems are the same, which we'll talk more about in a little bit. If you're new to network marketing, you might be thinking, what makes network marketing different and why would I want to join? I thought the same thing. However, having my own insurance agency for the last 10 years, I somewhat had an idea of how it worked, but wasn't 100% sure. So let me try and answer that question for you, but before I do, let's look at the reasons why I decided to join a network marketing company. So why did I decide to join a network marketing company? I decided to join network marketing for time freedom, to be able to travel more, for residual income, to be able to work from anywhere, to never again have to set an alarm clock unless I wanted to set an alarm clock. Owning my own insurance agency was great. However, the success of the agency solely relied on me. I have to hire my employees. I have to pay my office rent. I have to pay for marketing, and the list goes on and on. While I'm paying all the bills to run my agency, my district manager is sitting pretty in his office, away at the beach, on vacation, or anywhere he chooses to be, all the while collecting overrides and residuals on all the insurance policies that my team and I personally sold. I wanted to be like him. I wanted to have the ability to recruit new agents, train and coach them, and earn an override on all their production. This is called leverage income. The issue with becoming a district manager is you still had to pay for rent, office staff, phone lines, and everything else that comes with running a traditional business. Then I was introduced to network marketing, which had the same compensation model as a realtor or an insurance agent, still had the ability to recruit, coach, and train others while being able to earn residuals and leverage income without the cost and overhead of running a traditional business. With my insurance agency, if I wanted to go on vacation, my agency was essentially closed. I had to have a physical office, which prevented me from being able to work my business from anywhere. With network marketing, I'm able to work my business from anywhere I choose. I'm not locked down to any physical location and can move anywhere I want. The other plus side of joining network marketing was that I was able to have my wife Noelle fire her boss, which she now works with me, building our network marketing business together. Alright, so how is network marketing different? Let's look at a typical job, which we'll compare to a bicycle. The bicycle is a vehicle most people use to get where they want to go. The reason a bicycle is so appealing is primarily the comfort level. Bicycles are easy to obtain, and if you lose one, it's not very difficult to get your hands on another one. Typically, not much thought is required to ride a bicycle once you get the hang of it. They're little to no cost financially to own, and it's easy to settle for this vehicle because most other people are in bicycles as well. The issue with this vehicle is that it takes forever to get where you want to go. Imagine your favorite destination and how long it would take you to get there riding a bicycle. Now think about your dreams and how long it would take you to reach them with a typical job. Most people have to work 30 to 40 years with a job just to hopefully have the possibility of retiring, and that is if they are lucky and something unexpected doesn't happen, like a layoff or a downsizing. Although there may not be much financial cost to owning a bicycle, the real price is how much of your time will go to this vehicle, and there is still no guarantee of getting to your destination. Sometimes people realize that the bicycle is just too slow, or they understand that it will never allow them to reach their destination in their lifetime. Many who understand this tend to trade their bicycle in for a 1975 Corvette. See, the 1975 Corvette is very appealing because it has the potential to go so much faster than a bicycle. You can still arrive at your destination in a fraction of the time, and just the thought of being in a Corvette versus a bicycle is very exciting. So what's the downside? It was made in 1975, so it can be a very unpredictable vehicle. The Corvette may run great in the summer, but terribly in the winter. With traditional business, your business may run great when there is a great economy or when you're on your game working 16 hours per day. But what happens in the winter? A bad economy. Your vehicle may stop working completely. It can be an absolute drain of your time and cause you to sink all of your money into it just to keep it working. Even though the nature of the Corvette is to be much faster than the bicycle, the downside is there are so many things outside of your control that can completely destroy your vehicle, and when this happens, most people tend to go back to a bicycle, having to start all over from scratch, heading toward their destination. So the Jet is the fastest of all vehicles the average person can choose to reach their destination. Just imagine any destination in the world. There's nothing out of reach of the Jet and will get you there much faster. Once you learn how to fly, of course. Here's why we believe network marketing is a jet. There are 5 things needed for an average person to know they are in a jet. Number 1, residual income. The ability to do the work once, yet continue to get paid over and over again. Leveraged income. The ability to get paid on the efforts of others versus just your own. Number 3, a proven system. See, franchise models have 80% success rate versus 80% failure trying to figure it out on your own. Number 4, mentor. The most important is having someone who has mastered the system that is willing to teach you step by step. Number 5, low startup cost. With most opportunities costing less than $500 to start, the amount of risk is greatly reduced over most businesses out there. When you have these 5 things all together, you have a jet. You get all the benefits of the jet without having to personally spend the millions of dollars to buy it yourself. With network marketing, you get the benefit of having a multi-million-dollar opportunity at your fingertips without having to personally spend the millions yourself trying to create that company. With the power of a jet at everyone's fingertips, why don't more people take advantage of it? It's probably because in order to fly a jet, you must get a pilot's license. Unlike the bicycle and sometimes the Corvette, there are skills that have to be learned and mastered before you can fly the jet to your dreams. These skills can take time to acquire. It's so sad to see people get into the jet, go into the cockpit, take a look at all the buttons and dials, then get overwhelmed thinking it's impossible to ever become a pilot and then trade their jet to go back to a bicycle. Here's the good news. Even if it takes you 5 years to master these skills and get your pilot's license, the jet will still get you to your destination much faster than a bicycle or even a Corvette. Now the question is, which do you prefer? The bicycle, the 1975 Corvette, or the jet? Hopefully you're like Noel and I, and your answer is the jet. So let's take a look at what it is we do to build our network marketing business. When you're looking to join a network marketing company, just like if you were going to sell real estate or insurance, there are many different companies you can sell for, like RE/MAX, Coldwell Banker, Century 21, Allstate, State Farm, Farmers, just to name a few, and each one of those companies are going to pay you the same. However, the percentage may be different from company to company as well as the training. The point is you want to go with the company that fits in with you and your personality the best. Network marketing is no different. The model is the same. However, the company, products, training, and support will be different from company to company. You want to go with a company that you first believe in the product or service that is being offered by that company. So when you join a network marketing company, what will you be doing? This is a great question. And I can tell you from studying this industry, the answer is pretty much the same from any company that you join. You will first purchase the service and or product of that company that you'll be offering or selling. This is probably one of the most important parts, and it goes back to joining a company that you believe in the service or the product. Why is this so important, you ask? Well, one, it's hard to sell something that you yourself don't believe in enough to own yourself, and secondly, the easiest way to sell something is by sharing stories of how it has helped or benefited you. You will then share information, whether it be by sending someone a link to a video, inviting them to a live presentation, having people over at your house for a presentation, or various other tools your company will have for you. The point is your job is to share the information and let the tools and systems do the presenting for you. Next order of business will be helping people get signed up for your service and or product. No one gets paid in network marketing until someone purchases a membership and or a product from you. The last and final step is helping and training others to do the exact same thing. When looking at network marketing companies, the one thing you want to stay clear of any company that only focuses on recruiting. You should never be compensated for recruiting someone. This is a huge red flag, and you should steer clear of those companies. Just like with insurance and real estate, the only time anyone should get paid is when a sale is made. Before I wrap up, I want to quickly touch on training and how Noel and I train our new associates to get up and running as quickly as possible. After all, you want to get paid as quickly as possible. Just like with starting a franchise, opening an insurance agency, becoming a real estate agent, or a new job, the very first thing is to get you trained. It is no different when you join a network marketing company. Training will vary from company to company just as it would from job to job. The one key with network marketing, becoming a real estate or insurance agent, is no one makes a dime until you make a dollar, which makes your upline or sponsor, real estate broker, or district manager very invested in making sure you are well trained. As mentioned earlier, when looking at different network marketing companies, it is very important that you find a product or service that you yourself will purchase and or use. You can get all the training in the world. However, if you don't believe in the product or service yourself, you'll have a very hard time convincing others to do just that. I want to personally say thank you for spending a little bit of time with me tonight. Hopefully you found the information useful and have a better idea as what network marketing is really all about. If you'd like to learn more about possibly joining our team and working with Noel and I, send me an email at mferrara@ferraraservices.net or shoot me a text message at 630-688-5091. We are massively expanding and are always looking for the right people to partner with. I'll leave you with one last thing. Network marketing is a business, and it will need to be treated as a business. Otherwise, it just becomes a hobby, and you'll make hobby money, which the last time I checked doesn't pay very well. I again appreciate you spending time with me tonight, and I hope you have a great night. Talk to you later. Bye-bye for now.